I'm very happy that today we've had a meeting of select chairmen from different states. Of course, my senior colleague from the center is here, Mr. Khurshid. I have the privilege of heading this tripartite department, which is not only law, but also RTI and human rights. So the first, as you remember, we had a very successful meet at Vigyan Bhavan a few months ago on an all India basis, where synergically we have tried to bring people from all corners of India into a united whole with a lot of activities for this department. Carrying forward from there, the first facet we discussed today was the creation, in line with Shri Rahul Gandhi's great initiative to revitalize district units. We are now reconstituting, operationalizing, identifying, listing for each administrative district of India a team of 5 senior persons from these 3 subjects. Of course, that is the minimum number. It can be larger. Who will be our eyes, ears on the ground, coordinators, actors, movers, and this will be put together in a final list for all India after being addressed for each district. This will be done by state chairman in consultation with us, and where there are no state chairmen, by nominees at the central level. The second facet we are discussing today is the operationalization of what I had called in the Vigyan Bhavan function the Rapid Response Force, the RRF, which is at the state level a minimum of 5 senior people who can take up cudgels on behalf of the Congress in actual legal matters in court, argue and get relief and get things moving inside the courtroom. That list is also highly advanced, and I think we should have that within 4 to 6 week timeline we have given. The third facet is the building of a directory, an all India directory, computerized directory, searchable both by state as well as by alphabetical name across all these categories of all those involved in our department, because from there it becomes easier to access whether we are accessing our rapid response force or the district heads, etc. That again we have given this 4 to 6 week timeline. We also have of course there is another problem we have, which I am trying to solve in a very expeditious manner. Some states do not have chairman, and I think that will be operationalized in the near future. That will be reconstituted in the near future. The fifth and last important point, and a somewhat innovative point at that, is to try and involve youngsters roughly between 21 and 28, possibly between 21 and 30, who want to be associated with the Congress as legal professionals. By legal I include RTI and human rights professionals. And they will be tied up in an internship program with our 127 odd MPs in the first phase, a couple, let us say, per MP, to be associated on these 3 subjects with the Congress approach, with the Congress ecosystem. They are not necessarily of the Congress as of now. If this works well, then we will also expand it to each MLA in each assembly level position. So these were the result of a very fruitful and intimate discussion. I am thankful to people, many joined by VC, many came physically. We had representatives from Tripura, from Meghalaya, from West Bengal, of course across India. Many are here from Rajasthan, from Karnataka, etc., etc. So we hope to kind of tie all this together and have another function where we will present this to the Congress President, to Shri Rahul Gandhi in the near future.